Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are stuck with the Facebook's two-factor authentication not working problem, don't worry because today I will explain why it happens and how to fix it quickly. So two-factor authentication is an important security feature, but sometimes it can be a real headache. So first, it might be because you are not receiving the authentication code via SMS. So this is usually due to the network issues or delays from your mobile carrier. Second, if you are using an authenticator application like Google Authenticator, the app might not be synced with Facebook properly. Third, you may have entered an incorrect backup code or those codes have expired. Now let's talk about how you can actually fix it. So first, make sure that your phone has a strong signal and try resending the SMS code. Next, if you are using an authenticator application, then you just have to simply check its settings to sync time. This often fixes the code issue. Lastly, try using a backup code that you saved when setting up two-factor authentication. Now, if you haven't added any two-factor authentication and if you are still facing the same problem with Facebook, then there is no such option, but you just have to simply provide your ID, like your national ID. It can be Aadhaar card, passport, or any other national ID would work in order to log in back into your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for watching.